Sometimes I sits and thinks, and sometimes I just sits. A bit like me, really. I'm pretty sure, isn't that a baby blue tit? Someone tell me. Please. I just saw it, but hiding behind those stonking great big yellow stones, and there was a stonking great big blooming magpie over there, and I'm quite sure magpie will eat this little thing. It's gone lost. It's definitely having a little think, isn't it? I mean, I looked it up, but it's obvious they want to be out in nature. They've kind of flopped out of the nest, haven't they? What do I know? Anyway, if I'm standing here, the magpie will not. I'm waiting as ever on someone. Boy, does she make me wait. Anyway, enough of that. Right, so once upon a time, long, long ago, in the middle of a deep, dark wood, there lived two brothers, and their names were Miff and Muff. We're just catching the autumn, which is rather nice. Oaks going. Late, isn't it late? Autumn? Having a little think. This is a little ball of fluff, isn't it? I'm sure it's all right. It's fine, isn't it? Its head's moving. It's fine. It's just thinking, bloody hell, what a world I'm in. What a world it is. And here I am. Yep, here we go. Well, I've got the time. Here we go. Yay. Come on, fella. Oh, the hide. Get some moisture out of them. Yes. It's tucking in, isn't it? Do they eat grass? Right in there now. There it goes. Whoop, here we go. Yay, come on, buddy. Come on, let's see you go. Come on. I'm rooting for you. You've got wings. Woohoo. I got a pilot's license through the Royal Air Force, as it happens. I got a scholarship. I think there were 10 going, or something, I don't know. I got one of them anyway. RAF Kidlington it then was, by Oxford. 7 miles into Oxford, and I worked at the Wimpy in the evenings, and I didn't get a lift. Here we go. On the back of the French girl's motorbike, which is a 350 blue Suzuki. We worked there also. I had to walk it, so that's midnight, 1 a.m. close, and 2-hour walk possibly. So that's 3 a.m. By 7 you're ready for a... Oh, this is great, it's fine, isn't it? A large mug filled half full of coffee and half full of brown sugar. And hot water. Kick you into gear. 3 weeks worth. And it was fun. Then it used to be 35 hours and they only gave you 30, so dear old mum paid for the extra 5, and I was doing wheelies at 10,000 feet over Oxford just to eat up those extra 5 hours. I never kept the license current. It's just wish I had an excuse, but unlike a certain Mr. Branson, he's got a whole airline to play with, hasn't he? Or Laker was another one, wasn't he? Well, that seems happy enough. Oh, here's Skippy. Oh, he died out. Follow the birdie. It was just there, and it would never have made it across the road. So, and that jolly blooming great magpie would have spotted it in an instant. It hung around, actually, the magpie. I think it's bogged off now. There we go, come on. It's definitely in the right place. It's got little wings and it's already just thinking about it. Flippity flap. It'll find water and stuff, won't it? Stupid, really. Didn't know what to do for a minute. What a delight. Come on, birdie. Hang on, let's get a bit of a perspective. Where we go. It's down there somewhere. Perspective. Lose it in the long grass. No, it's resting again. It's fine. The wings are fine. Little eyes bright and its little head is bobbing. So, there we go. Wonder if it'll come back. I've got a nest in my side of my house. I live up in a town called Alnwick in Northumbria now, which is 300 miles away. 6-hour drive, ambulance back and forward. I think I've done it 4 or 5 times. They keep cancelling my knee op. Kept cancelling. It's done now, the main op, but there's a secondary complication anyway. It's got a little yellow head, hasn't it? As close as I can get. Perhaps it's not a blue tit. I'm sure someone will tell me. I don't think it is a blue tit, is it? Something else. Anyway, there's a blue tit, and they nest in the wall of my rented house. There's a hole in the wall, and it came, and one fell out, and I put it in a corner with, I don't know, I thought water in a lid of a bottle. Just left it. So I never know. You never know, do you? There's no real grass, and I've just got a little backyard. It's not a blue tit, is it? Someone will know. That must be a good shot to identify this little fellow. Right, well, I think that's the way to deal with it. I'm afraid it's about 2 hours to wait till, well, it's actually about, I think it's about 9:30 now, and I have a meeting, a Christian meeting at 11 here at the RNOH Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital, Stanmore, London, at 11, and I'm expecting at least one poison. Sarah is on her way, I think. Or, you never know. She seems to take forever, but never mind. Yeah. Right. Can't leave it, can I? Probably old magpie will be back. What if I... No, I think just leave it. Do its own thing here. Seems quite happy. We may be here for some time. Right, here we go. Thanks. That is the way to Jerusalem. That's sort of slightly south of east. I'm obviously in England. So I point that way when I pray. I have the Lord's Prayer in Aramaic, beautifully sung by someone in Syria. They actually still, somewhere in Syria, there are pockets of places that still actually speak Christ's language, which of course was Aramaic. I love Brian Johnston, the wonderful cricket commentator, but he went to Eton, of course, but he, nestling down now, he, I believe, fought on the Somme in the First World War, but never spoke about it. But just his commentary, and they used to send them of the English test matches. And I used to live in St John's Wood, London, and you could hear them, the crowds and so on from where I lived. I had a flat there. And Johners, Blowers, Bearders was the bearded wonder, the scorekeeper. Christopher Martin Jenkins has died, actually, very young. And it just popped up on my YouTube feed. Here we go. Hoppy Skippy. Where's Birdie? Come on. Bit of activity. Yay, Hoppy Skip. Come on. Off you go. Yay, look on my birdie. I've got wings. Yes, I got wings. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, Birdie. We're rooting for you. That's better, isn't it? Oh, look. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. It's ridiculous. One tiny life, eh? Here we go. Yay. Skippy, Skippy, Skippy. Come on. It's not a blue tit, is it? I know that much now, I'm sure. Must be completely obvious to any half-competent birder. Anyway, he and Blowers and Aggers was the another one. Where's Birdie gone? Was another commentator, and they if rain stopped play, they obviously had to keep the radio audience amused, and they were past masters at it, just talking about everything, and oh, hop, skip. That's where I wanted it to head underneath there, be safer. Dark place, and lost it. Lost it. Yeah. Magpie won't get it there so easily. I thought I saw movement, but it was a robin in the trees above, so there's probably a nest above here. Here we go. Birdie, where are you? You are. Here we go. Hoppy Skippy, somewhere safe. I think we might lose little birdie now. I think it's going to go and find a place to hide in there. But I think that's that. But that's where I wanted it. So now you know. One small life, sort of, at least given half a chance. Oh, more than half a chance, I think. There it goes. In there. That's where I wanted it. It's much safer right in there. Blooming old magpie wouldn't see it there. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye. Can you see it? No. It's gone. Gone. Any movement. It's gone. Cheerio.